What's up? In today's video, I'm going to add some aggressive decals to our Ford F-150. If you want a super inexpensive and quick mod, this may be for you. You can get these decals in different configurations for different cars. Stay tuned for the whole video.
Alright guys, so this is the F-150. We've already did two upgrades. We did the front grille with the lights, and we replaced the OEM lights with these ones. The next upgrade, we're going to add a decal right over there. First thing to do is you want to clean this. Grab the decal, and we're going to basically do a dry fit. Make sure we like the placement. And that F-150 obviously has to be flipped. Basically going to start off an inch away from this, and we're going to center it between here and here. So we went 1 1/4 from here to the beginning of the bottom, 4 inches from the bottom leg support to the bottom of the decal, and then from the top of this ridge here, 1 3/4. See that? And we drew a line, a marker line, all the way down there. The only thing you're going to notice is this I needed to cut because it was reversed, right? It was like this, and then I needed to cut this because I needed it to go this way and this way, right? So you're going to have to basically do what I did. And then once this is cut, you're going to basically line these up. So the F is on an angle like this, and then the F is lining up with that line, and then everything's going to be working for you. Just line this up with the line. The top line is the most important. So when you're peeling it, this is the first layer, then you got the sticky, and then you got the third layer, right? So be careful not to touch the actual black decal with your fingers. If you really want, you can take some soap and water and then just spray the solution, and then you can squeegee it out. Alright, so I'm just going to spray it a little bit, not too much. So there's two sides to the decal. There's the sticky sides, and then there's the not the sticky side. The not the sticky side, you need to leave the film on. Only peel off the back side so it exposes the sticky part. Once this is off, now you can spray this. A little bit. And now we can take this. See, it's not sticky anymore. But once the glue soap wears off, it will be. Now, and then line it up with the top line, and you can see if I'm not happy, I can still rip it off, but you don't have too much time, so be careful. So the F is going to get lined up with that, and then this is going to get lined up with that. Now when you're happy, just start pressing it down. There we go. And then grab your squeegee, and you start squeegeeing out the bubbles, and then start peeling this off at the same time. And then when you're going over the vinyl, make sure you have water on here. You don't want to scratch the vinyl. You see how here we got tape? We got to take that out. And then as you remove, make sure there's no bubbles. If there are, you need to go back, up and down. So it's nice to have tweezers as you're doing this too. And that's it. And then F-150 done. Once you get to where the door meets, you're going to have to very sharp X-Acto knife and just do a straight cut. And you're going to wrap each end on the inside. Now when you're doing the big piece, just do it bit by bit. Don't just rip off the whole thing. Just leave it taped up until you get to the tape. And just spray right on the carbon. We're going to light this part up here. And this is the most important part. And then we're going to start squeegeeing it. Doing this with one hand is definitely not recommended. And just like before, gently remove the decal. If there's too much water, it's going to still come off, so you just got to slowly peel it. Squeegee out everything. You can see we already pre-cut that side, so it's easy for us to continue. And then take the other half and then just apply it as best as you can. This will get wrapped in. There you go. Alright, so now we're going to go and do it on this side here. Alright, so we're just finishing off the other side now. Just got to do the F-150 and then peel this, and then we're pretty much done.
This came out pretty good. Super inexpensive mod for your truck. Also, make sure you check out our other mods, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.